started by seeing what's in my dock. First icon we have here, Finder. That lets you browse everything in your Mac. These are other applications I have that some aren't in my dock. So there's a quick view of all that. Dashboard brings up the dashboard. You can also hit F4 on your keyboard. Safari, internet browser. Firefox is another internet browser, which I like a lot better. Skype. This application is just like a phone, so you can call people on that. iCalendar, it's pretty straightforward. Preview lets you preview photos. Now these ones here, iTunes, iPhoto, iMovie, GarageBand, I'm not going to go into. If you want to learn about them, look it up. Front row. Is this right here. It lets you search through your music, your photos, your movies, your TV shows, everything on your computer. And then from there, you can play it. And I have headphones plugged in so it won't come up the speakers. Let me go back and now open up a photo or something. Google Earth. Let that load here. It's just like the world, and you can go anywhere in the world and just fly around it, look at other places. Maybe we just zoom in, zoom in. And that's about it. Spaces. That lets you switch your desktop. So if you see here, I'll open up Firefox. Now switch desktops, and it's gone. Firefox is back, Firefox is gone. System preferences, you should all know what that does. It lets you change your settings just like Control Panel in Windows. Disk utility, that'll let you format drives, partition, erase. Tinker tool, that lets you customize stuff on your Mac that isn't available usually. So I could just customize my dock, add different things to that. FrostWire is just like LimeWire for the PC. This one usually takes a while to load. Next one we have here is UnRARX. I'll show you FrostWire in a minute when it loads. UnRARX just unzips all your files that you get downloaded. It's pretty straightforward. Double click your icon, it's finished. Here's FrostWire. It's just like iTunes. VLC Media Player. This lets you play almost any format of video, audio, anything you have on your computer. I recommend this over Apple's QuickTime. AMSN. This is currently the only version of MSN that will let you have webcam. No other MSN for the Mac will let you have webcam. Microsoft Word 2008, Excel, and PowerPoint. I have the other ones, but I just don't have them in my dock because I don't use them. Time Machine, which I use very frequently so I don't lose anything. iShow UHD, that's what I'm using right now to record. And where's Finder? That's what I want. But it won't open. There's my Windows partition right here. No name. It's just, I left it like that because I haven't had time to change it yet. So applications, address book, pretty straightforward. MSN, Automator, don't know what it does. Calculator, pretty straightforward. Cam Twist, that lets you change the features of your camera when talking to someone on webcam. You can add in text, add in pictures, add in whatever you want. Chess, game, dashboard I explained earlier. Dictionary is pretty straightforward. DVD, pretty straightforward. Expose, that lets you the same as F3 on your keyboard. So if you have multiple things opened, that opened, expose, choose what you want, go to it. Expose, choose what you want, go to it. So that's what that is. Firefox already explained. Font book lets you customize the fonts of your Mac. Front row already explained, Front row explained. GarageBand lets you make your own music. Handbrake, this will let you rip DVDs to your computer. iCalendar, pretty straightforward. iChat, it's just like MSN. iDVD, that'll let you play your DVDs, make your DVDs. Image capture is just like photo booth or anything. iMovie, that'll let you create some movies, import movies. iPhoto, pretty straightforward. I'll show you what I'm using right now. iStumbler, that lets you search for Wi-Fi in the area, so you can check just about anything and then find out about it. iSync, lets you sync your stuff. iTunes, plays your music. iWeb, help you create web pages, manage your websites. LogMeIn, that's a program that you set up on your Mac or your PC, and as long as your computer is connected to the internet, you can get onto it. iMail is just like Outlook Express for the PC, lets you check your mail. Office 2008 just has everything Office in there. OpenOffice is what I installed before I got Office 2008. I just had it, found it, heard about it from friends, it's good, so I got that. I haven't really used it because I got Office 08 just after. Photo Booth, it'll let you take photos. Preview, already explained. QuickTime, I'm not that fond of, I don't really use it. Rip DVD, it's another program that'll let you rip your DVDs to your computer. Safari, internet browser, ScreenFlick. Sorry for the banging in the background, just someone's doing work in our house. ScreenFlick lets you watch movies. Skype, Spaces, Stickies, to make post-it notes, put them up so you remember stuff. Temperature monitor, I use this to monitor the temperature of my Mac. So right there, it's 61 degrees, 60 on the inside. And then Time Machine